Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC P08AA pertains to the clutch pedal position sensor A circuit high. This specific code indicates a fault in the sensor output signal linked to the VSA modulator control unit, which interprets the signal to determine if the clutch is engaged or disengaged properly. The clutch pedal position sensor is crucial for optimal vehicle performance, affecting systems such as Vehicle Stability Assist, VSA. When the sensor detects an output signal that exceeds specified limits, the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, logs this code and signals an abnormality in the system. Understanding this code's implications is vital in ensuring the vehicle operates safely and efficiently, as required during normal driving conditions, as well as in challenging situations. Diagnosis and repair using the manufacturer's service manual can prevent further complications and enhance vehicle reliability. The clutch pedal stroke sensor is a critical component integrated within the clutch pedal assembly. Its primary function is to provide the VSA modulator control unit with essential data regarding the position of the clutch pedal. This sensor measures the movement of the clutch pedal and generates an output signal that helps the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, monitor the clutch engagement status. The VSA modulator control unit uses this data to adjust the vehicle's stability and traction control systems accordingly. In terms of location, you can find both the clutch pedal stroke sensor and the VSA modulator control unit near the driver's footwell, making them relatively accessible. Problems can arise if the signal exceeds the specified limits set by the manufacturer due to either the sensor itself or the wiring connecting it to the VSA module. When diagnosing issues with the clutch pedal position system, accurately testing these components is essential. The first possible cause of the DTC P08AA can be a faulty clutch pedal stroke sensor itself. If this sensor is not functioning correctly, it can send an unusually high output signal, leading the PCM to register this DTC. The second potential cause is wiring issues, particularly shorts in the connections leading to the sensor. Damaged or corroded wires can reduce the accuracy of the signals being transmitted. Lastly, problems with the VSA modulator control unit can also be a cause. If the unit receives erratic signals or misinterprets valid signals due to internal faults, it can trigger the DTC. Investigating each of these areas is crucial for an accurate diagnosis and resolving the issue completely. Symptoms associated with the DTC P08AA include the appearance of the check engine light on the dashboard, indicating that a fault detected has been logged. Drivers may also experience stability control issues, particularly during dynamic driving conditions where traction braking systems rely heavily on accurate sensor data. An abnormal output signal from the clutch pedal sensor could lead to poor clutch engagement, resulting in difficulty shifting gears or a feeling of the pedal being stuck. Additionally, performing routine checks may reveal other signs, such as erratic movement of the clutch pedal or abnormal responses from the VSA system when engaging brakes during turns. Recognizing these symptoms quickly is essential for taking timely action, helping to avoid greater complications. In the first step of the troubleshooting process, turn the vehicle's ignition to the on position without starting the engine. This allows the vehicle's diagnostic systems to power up and prepare for testing. Next, utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to confirm the clutch pedal stroke sensor 1 voltage value. Under normal conditions, this value should not indicate any voltage when the system is functioning correctly. If it does read as normal, it suggests that the problem likely lies with the clutch pedal stroke sensor itself, indicating potential failure. Conversely, if the value is abnormal, the issue may stem from other related components. Gathering this critical information will guide subsequent inspection steps. For the second troubleshooting step, you need to start by disconnecting the VSA modulator control unit's 46P connector, along with the 4P connector of the clutch pedal stroke sensor. This ensures that you can test for potential shorts or opens without interference from other components. Using a multimeter in IG mode, check both CSS SIG1 and CSS 5V for shorts between each other. Proper operation means that when tested, these two signals should exhibit a resistance greater than 1 megaohm, indicating no short circuit. If there is a fault in the circuit, it suggests a significant issue that will need addressing to eliminate any electrical dysfunction, impacting sensor readings and overall vehicle performance. The third troubleshooting step involves a detailed inspection of the wiring concerning the clutch pedal stroke sensor and the VSA modulator control unit. If previous tests indicate no shorts, you should check for any damaged wiring, corrosion, or loose connections that could interfere with signal transmission. Conduct an open shorted wire inspection according to the specified guidelines, which include visually examining the harness and utilizing the multimeter to confirm continuity and assess resistance. Identifying any electrical faults in these wires or connectors could eliminate potential causes of the DTC, ensuring that the power and signal reach their respective components effectively. A successful wire inspection could prevent further complications and confirm whether the sensor itself is at fault. The final step in troubleshooting involves inspecting the VSA modulator control unit. After addressing all previous components, if the clutch pedal stroke sensor and wiring inspections display normal conditions, it is likely that the VSA module is the remaining source of the problem. The VSA modulator control unit communicates directly with the PCM, interpreting sensor data to assist in vehicle stability functions. If this unit is malfunctioning or internally defective, it can lead to incorrect processing of sensor information, resulting in abnormal outputs. Comprehensive testing of this module, including voltage assessments and functionality checks, is critical to confirm its condition. If found to be faulty, replacement of the VSA modulator control unit will likely resolve the DTC P08AA issue. After completing all necessary repairs or parts replacements, the next step is reconnecting all the previously disconnected components. This includes the clutch pedal stroke sensor and the VSA modulator control unit, ensuring all connections are secure to prevent future faults. Once everything is reassembled, utilize the HDS to clear the DTC from the vehicle's memory. Following this, conduct a retesting procedure to verify that the repair was successful. By cycling the vehicle through various drive cycles, ensure that the check engine light does not reappear. Successful completion of this process indicates that the issue has been resolved and the system is operating as intended without further complications related to the DTC P08AA. To prevent issues similar to DTC P08AA in the future, regular inspections of the clutch pedal stroke sensor should be part of routine vehicle maintenance. It is essential to check that all connections are tight and free from corrosion to ensure optimal performance. Additionally, during any routine servicing, it is advisable to inspect the integrity of the wiring harnesses linked to the sensor and the VSA modulator control unit. Ensuring that wiring is protected from wear, abrasion, or environmental damage can significantly minimize potential electrical failures. By implementing these preventive measures, drivers can maintain a robust vehicle system that operates smoothly and efficiently, reducing the likelihood of sensor-related issues impacting clutch operation and vehicle stability. In conclusion, Understanding the role of the clutch pedal stroke sensor and the VSA modulator control unit is critical for diagnosing and resolving DTC P08AA. An accurate diagnosis requires thorough inspection of the sensor and related circuit integrity. Each step in the troubleshooting guide provides a systematic approach toward isolating and fixing issues that could impact vehicle performance, particularly related to clutch engagement and stability control systems. By following these steps, mechanics can ensure a reliable repair that restores normal function. Additionally, implementing preventive maintenance can significantly enhance the longevity of these components and avoid costly repairs down the road. Awareness and attention to these details will allow drivers to maintain efficient vehicle operation and safety. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.